Hello mga ka-learners! Kamusta po? Handa na tayo ulit para sa bagong leksyon? You just learned about synonyms and antonyms in the previous lessons. Now, you will learn about homonyms and homophones. Look at the pairs of words describing these pictures. Let's say them aloud. Male, male. Aisle, aisle. Mug, mug. Nail, nail. What do you notice about their sounds? The pairs of words sound alike, don't they? Are you familiar with the term homonyms? These are words with the same sound and spelling as other words, but with different meanings. They are similar to homophones, which are words which sound the same as other words, but are different in spelling and/or meaning. Here are a few examples. Bear, bear. The word bear as a noun is any of various large carnivorous animals with a heavily built body covered with thick fur, short, powerful limbs, small eyes and ears, strong claws, and a short tail. Bear can also be a verb, which means to carry or sustain a weight or load. Next up, maid and maid. Maid with an I is a female servant. Maid with an E is when something is created, produced, or formed. Look at these sentences. Determine which word best fits each sentence. Encircle your answer. Number 1. We saw a very big bear at the circus. Number 2. We bear the blame for everything that happens. 3. Our maid regularly cleans our house. 4. She made her mother a very beautiful handbag. Compare your answers with mine. 1. Bear, noun. 2. Bear, verb. 3. Maid. 4. Maid. Look at the following lists of homonyms. Listen to how they are pronounced. 1. Bark, bark. Bark can be the short, sharp cry of a canine such as a dog or a fox. The dog's bark was so loud that it startled me. Bark can also be the tough, protective outer layer consisting mainly of dead cells that covers the stems and roots of woody plants and trees. The bark of the narati is very hard. 2. Calf, calf. A calf is the young of any bovine animal, especially domestic cattle. A baby cow is called a calf. Calf can also be the thick, fleshy part of the back of the leg below the knee. You have a bruise on your calf. 3. Date, date. Date can be the day of the month and/or of the year recorded by a number of series of numbers like in this sentence. What is the date today? Date can also be the fruit of the date palm, brown, sticky, and sweet tasting. The dates you gave me were really sweet. 4. Ear, ear. We can define ear as in the sense organ, usually one of a pair situated on each side of the head that is concerned with the hearing and the maintenance of balance in the vertebrates. Example, an elephant has very big ears. Ear can also mean the part of a cereal plant such as wheat that contain seeds. Example, how many ears of corn were you able to harvest this year? Did you notice how much they sound alike? How then can you decide which word best fits each sentence? You can do this by looking at them in context. For the short recap, let's remember that homonyms are words with the same sound and spelling as other words but with different meanings. Homophones are words which sound the same as other words but are different in spelling and/or meaning. Well, this is the end of the module. Congratulations for finishing it! Madami pa pong halimbawa ng homonym at homophones kung naghahanap kayo online. It's also good to practice for searching, di ba? Stay tuned to watch the next modules. See you, mga ka-learners!